The Chamber has long enjoyed a great collaborative relationship with Prime Minister Barzani. His leadership of the overarching strategic relationship with the United States and his focus on economic ties are invaluable. He's the right man at the right time in the right leadership role to steer the Kurdistan regional government. At Prime Minister Barzani's invitation, we have organized and brought a number of delegations over the years to the Kurdistan region, all with the goal of deepening the commercial bonds between the United States and the Kurdistan region. And that's why we're gathered here in this room to witness the signing of two historic agreements that will only further strengthen the strategic economic partnership between the Kurdistan region and the United States. These are two major energy agreements between the Kurdistan regional government and two leading American energy companies, estimated to be worth a combined $110 billion over the lifetime of those projects. These gas exploration and development agreements underscore the strategic partnership between the Kurdistan region and the United States, and they're consistent with U.S. policy objectives, including promoting energy independence, enhancing regional stability, and supporting American business. And that's why we're at the Chamber. And I want to commend all involved from the Kurdistan regional government, many friends in the U.S. government that are here with us, and of course the companies for their efforts to make these two signings possible. First, we're going to have a signing with HKN Energy that will be led by Ross Perot Jr., an agreement with the KRG to operate the Miran block in the Kurdistan region of Iraq. And then that will be followed by Western Zagros, owned by Press Energy International, based in Houston, Texas. Again, an agreement in the Kurdistan region to operate the Tokana Kurdamir gas field in the Kurdistan region. And again, I want to underscore the significance of these two agreements, which make clear a strong future of the partnership between the United States and the Kurdistan region. At this time, I want to invite Ross Perot Jr., Chairman of Hillwood, and His Excellency Minister Camille Khalil to take your seats for the first signing, and Your Excellency Prime Minister Barzani, if you can please take a seat or stand behind them to observe this signing.
Would you like to go first, or want me to go first?
Let's look for the other one.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Steve, thank you. Mr. Prime Minister, thank you, and welcome back to the United States Chamber. We have had the great privilege of working in Kurdistan now for 18 years. And for 18 years, I've known the Prime Minister and I've known his father, and it's been the great honor of my life and business career to be building a business in Kurdistan. We have 81% of our team is Kurdish, and we truly are building a Kurdish oil company. And for us to continue to grow in Kurdistan gives all these young Kurds a great future and a wonderful opportunity. We appreciate the partnership and look forward to many more decades of growing and helping build Kurdistan. Commissioner, thank you.
Congratulations on that first signing, and congratulations to Hillwood and the Ministry of the Kurdistan Regional Government. As I mentioned, there's two signings. Next, I'd like to invite Eric Storr, Managing Director at Preston Investment, the parent company of Western Zagros, and again, of course, His Excellency Minister Camille Khalil, to please take your seats, and we would ask again for His Excellency the Prime Minister to kindly observe.
opportunity to further develop our long-lasting partnership. We are all in on Kurdistan, its energy future, and under your government's vision for the development of energy in the region. A few words about Western Zagros. Western Zagros conducted our first seismic activity in the region in 2007, quickly drilled our first well in 2008, and in complex geology, we actually drilled 4 wells back to back, with every well having a commercial discovery. And that's something we're very proud of in the region. We'd like to extend our thanks and appreciation to Acting Minister Kamal and his team at the Ministry of Natural Resources, including Director Generals Hazal, Dr. Baruch, and Derari, who have shown professionalism and dedication throughout this process. We are also so thankful for Minister Rahim Dizay and his team for their support. The expansion of the Kurdistan region, energy's independence and security is a shared interest of the United States, which has supported this acquisition, and for that we are very grateful. Indeed, the acquisition is a model of U.S. support for American investors operating in the Kurdistan region of Iraq. And in that spirit, we would like to acknowledge with appreciation the proactive, very proactive advocacy of the U.S. Department of Commerce, the head of the Middle East, Africa, Das Bruns, and Executive Director Rodriguez from the State Department for their help, and also the help of Counsel General Steve Bittner and the Economic Unit Chief Neil Dunbari. I also would like to thank Western Zagros Chairman and President Tufik Shaneen, who could not be here today, but his leadership, spirit of optimism, and hard work was vital in getting this transaction across. Finally, I'd also like to thank Karwan Zabari, who leads our government relations efforts here. And finally, congratulations to the Perot HKN team on their wonderful transaction. It's great to have American investors alongside us in this region. So congratulations to the HKN team. So thank you very much, Prime Minister. Thank you.
Well, that concludes our signing ceremony, and in case you're wondering, we're going to hear from His Excellency Prime Minister Barzani shortly at our reception. We're saving that. I will say we've all been living right with God because it's a beautiful night on the roof. We're going to get to enjoy the beautiful rooftop up here. So I want to invite everybody to follow the chamber staff. I think we can get 6 people in an elevator at a time, so it'll take a few minutes. But if we can follow Jenna, please raise your hand. And we will ask everybody to migrate behind and follow Jenna. And we'll make our way up to the roof for a reception. We're going to hear from His Excellency the Prime Minister. Again, major congratulations to Ross and Eric, HKN, Western Zagros. Many appreciation to the U.S. government, and congratulations to you, Prime Minister, you, Minister, and the Kurdistan Regional Government. So again, that concludes our signing ceremony, and we're going to now enjoy that reception. Please follow.